Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. I am super excited today because I'm back on YouTube. Yay! I know you guys miss me, and thank you for everybody who has reached out to me asking me, where have I been? You guys know who you are. I have been MIA. I got a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. So I have not been able to film. It's going to be, I think it's like 3 weeks. I haven't been on YouTube, but it feels like months. 3 weeks in YouTube time is like a year in regular time in my head. So I feel like I've been gone forever. I apologize for not being on here. I won't even get into any of that stuff today because I want to get into my unboxing. But just know I loved and miss you guys terribly, and I'm happy to be back. I have a lot of fun stuff that I'm going to be posting for you guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you have your notification bell on so you know when I start uploading my videos for the future. If you are new to my channel, I predominantly have a makeup channel, but I do love anything crystal related. I love crystals. It has been a passion of mine that I've been intrigued in learning about the past year or two. And that's kind of what kind of got me into Mindful Souls. I had subscribed to their box prior to them reaching out to me and sending Mindful Souls PR. And I absolutely love the box that I received from them. And when they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to, show their boxes, I was ecstatic because I love this stuff. Anyway, you guys can see my first video from when I first bought it myself. And if you look at my current videos, they're all the same. I'm giving you guys that same energy. You hear when they say keep that energy the same? My energy's the same because I absolutely love their boxes. I'm excited to see what I got in this box this month that they sent me. But I have a little twist to things today. I actually got sent some products that are new to the company. So they have skincare, body products, and they sent me to try out the body lotion. So I'm gonna give an honest review on the body lotion that they sent me right here at the end of this unboxing. So don't leave. Stay tuned so I can tell you guys a detailed review on what I thought about their body lotion that has amethyst crystal infused inside of it. So very excited to talk to you guys about that. Alrighty, so let me tell you about the box. The box is $39.97. So I rounded around to like $40 for the box, which I think is very reasonable because you get so much good quality pieces in the box. So that's the price. And I have good news for you guys. If you want to save 20% on this box, I actually do have a code. It's Miss_Aisha, which is my name, AYESH. Who wants to save a little coin? I always want to save a little coin. So if you want to save that on your first box, you can just use my code to save 20% off. Alrighty, let's get into the unboxing. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. You always have a card. It has a quote on the front, which is very inspirational. So I always read the quote. It tells you what you got on the back. You also get an affirmation card in each box. You normally get some type of sticker as well. And then you got the goodies, which you guys came for to see. And which I'm excited to see what I got in this box. So let's take a look at the goodies. Okay, I quickly glanced through the box and I have 6 goodies to share with you guys. So super excited. But I always like to share, the card with you guys. So the card says, be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. I agree with the card. Always be kind. What do you lose out of being kind? You make somebody smile and brighten someone's day. So that was the quote. And then let's see the affirmation card that I got this time around. It says, affirmation of happiness. Every day in every way, I'm getting happier and happier. I love this. What do you lose also out of just saying a positive affirmation every day? it will keep you positive and the morale high for the day. So love this. And this was my sticker. It looks very colorful and it looks like it's like a person and with splashes of color all over it. So that's my sticker. And then let's get into the goodies. So this is the first thing I got here. And I'm not sure where I received this from because it's like a shell that you can use for like your incense. I'm not sure if I got this in this box or a different box. That's a problem when you have too many subscription boxes because I did do a couple of other crystal subscription boxes on my channel. So I'm not sure if I got one in, it probably was in this one if they're sending this in this. So it probably was one of my other ones, but let me read about this. They gave me yerba Santa leaves. All right, let's see what they smell like. It smells kind of like tea. It reminds me of tea. Like it has like a little minty scent to it. All right, and I got a little shell in here. Hold on. Oops, some of it fell out. That's okay. Okay. So let me give you guys a close up of what it looks like. Same on both sides. There you go. All right. It says yerba Santa leaves. Yerba Santa, also called the holy herb, was traditionally used as a smudge or incense for protection and setting boundaries. Its uplifting scent is also used for love, purification, growth, empowerment, and beauty, and the release of the emotional pain stored in heart chakra. So that's the first item I received. They did give some, you call it Tibetan rope, I got, but it wasn't a rose scent. So now I have another scent from this. It says it has 45 incense sticks of these. And I could definitely smell the rose in this. It says the rose is a symbol of love and purity. The incense is said to have a soothing effect on emotions, particularly grief, depression, and resentment. It lifts the heart and eases nervous tension and stress. Use while meditating or whenever you need a bit of boost in your day. So that's what it looks like. And you just burn the little ropes. So very excited for that. So far, 2 for 2. I'm excited for everything that I got so far. Let's see what I got in this little pouch. They give you like little different size pouches with stuff inside that. Like if you want to travel with it, you can have everything all in your pouch and not get it broken. Ooh, we got a necklace here. I think my favorite thing about their boxes is their jewelry. They give the best jewelry pieces. I love going to crystal stores and buying jewelry pieces, but I feel like their boxes are more unique. Like their jewelry is more unique and not like crystal store, all of them all look the same. These are like more unique pieces to me, in my opinion. So I have black tourmaline, which I definitely need to wear every single day, with all the negative energy and people's energy. This will be a good thing to have. And I think it's for protection as well. But we're going to read up on it right now and see if I'm being correct. Oh, see? I was right. Black tourmaline is a very effective stone to use if you want to keep bad luck or negative energy away. I definitely will be wearing this a lot. It has also been used since the ancient for safety and protection. You can wear black tourmaline when you meditate or place your black tourmaline next to you on your bed so that you will have the most peaceful and restful sleep. When you're traveling or driving, you can place it on the car or slip it inside your clothes for added protection. I love this. This is beautiful. Wow, I can't wait to wear it. Look at that. Ooh, la la la. And their necklaces, like the actual jewelry chains, they don't really fade. Like I've had a lot of these boxes, I want to say, from like a year ago. I started collecting their boxes and none of my jewelry pieces have faded. They stayed like very shiny. So the quality that they give you is very good. So I'm very happy for that. The next thing I got is, drum roll, a a Mookite stone. I never heard of that. That is what it looks like. It says boasts of a bold and earthy elegance that can catch your eye and leave you captivated. It is a stone of the here and now, making you appreciate the past, enjoy the present, and look forward to the future. Wearing or carrying Mookite, Mookite, I don't know how to pronounce that. Do not come for me if I said it wrong, though. With you will keep you safe from harm because it is a highly protective stone. Oh wow! It's associated with the second chakra, so placing it in the area will bring you deeper healing. Put it under your pillow while you're sleeping to improve your health or speed up your recovery. Definitely a crystal that's good to have. Another pouch. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, what is this? Look at that. So this is a Malachite Pendulum. Okay, so let me read about it for you guys. Malachite is also known as a stone of transformation. It will help you deal with many changes that can happen in your life because it stimulates clear thinking and controls emotions. This is one of the most beautiful stones you will ever see. So it's no surprise that it is often used for jewelry, as when it is placed very close to the body, it can harness your energy field. I love this. Love, love, love. So this is like a pendulum. Loves it. The next thing I got is a green tea bath bomb. Definitely smells like green tea, but I mean, we knew this. I love drinking green tea. It says a green tea bath can aid with relaxation and detoxification. It is an antioxidant and soothes skin. The green tea relaxes the body, calms the mind, and may ease certain types of pain. Tea baths are great to ease or heal skin conditions, to relax the muscles and ease pain or bruises. I love baths. I don't care how old I get. Because, as kids, we all love taking baths. Your parents would put the toys in and you would cry when it was time to come out the tub because you was having a good old time playing in the water. Well, me, I never grew up because I love baths. And I love bath bombs. So excited to use this. And my dears, that is everything I got in this box. What did you guys think about the box? I loved everything as per usual. I mean, duh. I've never not liked a box, and I'm excited to see what they're going to send me next month. But I did want to talk about something that they gave me to try out and test out. So I will add that my skin is very dry. I've mentioned this time and time again in a lot of my videos. And it's hard for me to find a good moisturizer that hydrates my skin, doesn't leave my skin feeling dry. And honestly, guys, I have to say when I use this, my skin felt so hydrated. Normally I have to keep layering on or add oil and then a cream, but this really hydrated my skin. I'm going to put the bottle a little closer so you guys can see the bottle, but this is what the bottle looks like. And on the bottle, it says infused with amethyst stone and lavender essential oil. So I love that it came with a pump, because sometimes squeeze tubes, it's hard to get the product out. I love that, you could put this on a pump. I had this on my bedside by my bed, and I just do a couple of pumps, and that's it. I already put lotion on, but I just want to show you guys the consistency of it. So I'm going to just do a little, that's one pump. And I like to use this at night because it does have lavender in it, so it smells soothing and calming, helps me relax and go to sleep better. But I'm doing a smell test for you guys live on camera. It smells just like lavender, but I mean, obviously it was going to smell like lavender, but that's the smell. It doesn't have a color. It's clear. It's white. And let's lather it on my skin. I like that it goes right in. Like, you don't have to, that's the product. Hold on, I should have put a bracelet on when I was going to do this, but because my bracelet wants to keep going back and forth right now. But it goes right in. It smells very nice. And for it not being like too rich or too thick. Like, my skin feels really soft. I love the lavender smell in here. I love that it's crystal infused, so it has the amethyst in it. So I feel like it helps like soothe me, calm me. It's very calming. And the lavender helps with that as well. So in my eyes, I would give this I never give anything a 10 out of 10 because nothing's perfect, but I would give it a 9 out of 10 because it does what it says it's going to do. It's a body lotion that hydrates the skin. I love the smell of, normally now, I was going to say I don't like the smell of lavender, but this one is lavender, but it's not true, like intruding. It's just enough. It's, some lavender is like, bam, it slaps you in the face. This is like just enough. And I use a decent amount because I'm all the way down here already. So I don't know if you guys can probably see that on camera. Probably not. But I'm already down to here. So I've definitely been using it. I love the packaging. I think this is glass. So be careful. You don't want to drop it. But I love, things are stored better, they say, in glass. So I love that it's in glass. And I mean, I have no complaints. I loved the product. Love the product. Let me tell you what it says on the box. It says, start with clean hands and clean skin. Warm the skin. Put a pea-sized amount and massage to the body. So you can use it all over. And it says this product is highly concentrated. So try out their new body and skincare products. Every single product could have a different crystal in it. I saw when I was looking at it on their website, they have like a crystal infused like face moisturizer. So that's cool. Check that out. And I'm going to thank you guys, Mindful Souls, for sending me this to try. I absolutely love it. And I don't know if it's a mental thing, but I definitely feel calmer when I wear it. It's probably the lavender, but like I said, it's crystal infused too. That definitely helps with the calming. So if you suffer from anxiety, stress, definitely put some of this on and it'll help soothe and calm you. Calm down those nerves. So that's really about everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for being patient and still saying subscribe to me while I've been away. But your girl, I know I've said this probably a couple of times. I think every YouTuber said this, like, sorry for being away and I'm coming back and blah, 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 blah. But I'm really coming back and I'm really sorry for being away. Life is life. Life catches up with you sometimes and puts things on hold. But your girl is back and I'm ready to be consistent with posting like I had the first episode of my channel. So I will see you guys all in the next video. If you're not subscribed already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Show your girl some love. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.